Minasan, konnichiwa, Andre desu.
Yuki desu.
And welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
So, welcome back to our channel and sorry about we have been delayed for our videos for a very long time since we lack of video clips and we're having hard time to decide if we should continue with the video or not. And since I suggested to her that we should finish what we started and move on and make a new video so that we won't be stagnant on our videos like we did the past couple of weeks or months. So
That's it?
yeah, that's it.
Okay. 以前アップロードした動画から結構時間が経ってしまったんですけど、やっと家についてまとめて動画にできたんで、よかったら見てください。はい。
That's it. So as you can see here, we don't have an exact video of how we made the DIY bed frame and the bed header. So what we're doing here right now is that we're removing the cushion away from the window because I'm trying to install the blinders since the place is so hot. That's why I'm half naked in this video. And while I'm doing that, Yuki will be removing the LED base and replacing it with our newly bought LED light temporarily so that we could work at night. So since the place is so hot, that's why I decided to install the blinders first to prevent much direct sunlight inside the space. And plus, I don't know what is Yuki trying to do at that time. This is the installer of the split type aircon with the company. Tambok. So the aircon is installed and this is the 4th floor of the condo. So you can see here we're trying to install the new LED light we bought. I'm drilling a hole so that it would fasten it in the ceiling. So the next thing we did is we cut a 1x4 or 1x3 wood in a dimensional size and sand seal it and varnish it and colored it at the same time while we're working on it to cover the hole of our window type aircon since we replaced it with a split type aircon. So we got our pieces finished and we're trying to install it using the wood, stick it using the wood wheel. And of course it's not precise, but we're just trying to scheme it out. As you can see, we still lack a lot of pieces, so we keep making cutting more pieces at the same time. Not at the same time, I mean from time to time. So you see it's almost one-fourth of the wall. We're trying to cover the window type wall because it doesn't look so attractive. So we decided to put a paneled wall. And it also helps creating a texture on the wall when you go inside the space. So that's what we had in mind when you're trying to go inside the room, since it's just a studio type. We're trying to maximize everything we can do in this space. So here I'm trying to think of a way how I could fix the wire since it's bugging me and annoying me. So to solving this solution, we bought a nail wire in a hardware store. I don't know, 50 pesos. After the wood wall was finished, I tried to fix that wire. Here, I'm trying to locate a floating shelf where I should put it for the living room, shared living room. Where exactly does it fit? As you can see, since we lack of pieces and we cut it from time to time, here we keep going back and forth, cut, going back, cut, and apply the same thing using the wood glue to finish the wood wall panel, wood paneled wall, or whatever you call it. So the thing about here is that since it's not very accurate, while we're making at the same time this wood wall, we're also having trouble of the sizes of the dimension and how we cut, since we don't have a well-equipped hardware tools to cut it. So we just use our limited tools such as sandpaper to cut the existing edges so we could fit the exact piece in the wall of the paneled wood wall, since it's not very accurate and we're having hard time to fit it. And that's one thing that is bugging us when we're working in this wood wall and having hard time. Though it looks so easy, but you just take it and using the wood glue, but at the same time you're working on it, you will be encountering problems, small problems, and probably a huge one also. Wood wall. Pattern wall.
こんな感じで作りました。
カラー。
冷蔵庫とソファ、これも作ってる。You made this one, no? エアコン。アンドレ。